Do you know whether or not your property lies in a floodplain? Depending on where you are in the United States of America, you may have certain natural disasters that are prone to occur in certain parts of your state. In Texas, the state legislature has recently changed the law to allow a tenant to terminate a lease if they've experienced a substantial loss after a flood when their landlord failed to warn them of the danger of being located in a floodplain. If you have a property that is located in a floodplain, you have an obligation to mention that to your tenant. And if you don't, they have the right to simply terminate their lease and walk away if they've experienced a substantial enough loss, even if the property is not otherwise rendered uninhabitable. It has everything to do with their loss, and it doesn't matter that they're insured. If they suffer this loss because you failed to disclose that your property was in a floodplain, they can walk.